Okay, I've scraped this canvas because I found the color that I really like. I didn't like all the colors that I was using, so I'm just going to redo it again. So my base is going to be the blue that's already painted on the canvas. It's green. And it's just the 24 karat gold. Gold took over, so I'm trying not to put as much. And then this is the black cell activator. Try not to put as much of that either. See what happens. I wanted more of this and less of this. I don't know. I like this over here, this over here, and this here. This just turned to a gold mess. Okay, this is officially a bad job. Bad job. A little bit of paint missing from the canvas there. Okay. Bring you down so that you can see what I ended up with. Bring you down for the close-up. Here's the close-up. This is my final result. So I have scraped this canvas multiple times, redid this painting multiple times. I did not like it. I'm satisfied with this. It's not exactly what I was looking for, but it has some nice features. Look at this. Oh, that's nice. And that's nice. Some nice features. I just feel like the gold took over, but I like the gold. And at one point when I scraped it, part of it was what I liked, but the other part wasn't, and the gold came out perfectly. But I just didn't like the overall painting, so I'm satisfied with this one. Tell me what you think. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please hit that subscription button and click the bell so that you receive notification once I post a new video. Until the next time, you guys, thanks for watching.